Hey guys, today I'm just going to go through my cleaning supplies that are cruelty free. I'm using up a couple things that aren't. And yeah, so method, as far as I know, I've done research, don't quote me, is cruelty free, as far as I know. Um, and this is what I use for my all-purpose cleaner. I use it for everything. It's naturally delivered surface cleaner. It smells delicious. It's lime and sea salt, and I love it. It's great. I use it for everything. And okay, for mopping, I use their mop cleaner, and it's lemon ginger. And to be honest, I can't remember the smell of it. I haven't mopped in a while, but I plan to. Tomorrow is my cleaning day. I'm gonna go nuts. A huge cleaning day, and so I use that. And then I have a glass cleaner because all-purpose cleaner, I find it doesn't work very good for cleaning glass. It leaves marks and stuff, and this kind of stuff doesn't work as well. This one's mint. It's the Method glass cleaner and surface, naturally delivered glass cleaner, and it's mint for a streak free shine. I find I don't get streaks, and it's excellent. So that I love. And this is, what's this? Lime and sea salt. And this is mint. The mint is awesome. It's something I'm not used to in a cleaner, but I really, really like it. So that's pretty much it. This is all that I'm going to be using. It's all cruelty free. And yeah. Subscribe, please. See you guys.